Hi students, I hope you all be fine today. I have brought a good topic for special students. 2025, the exam comeback in 2025, could be an inspiring story of students who face challenges in their academic journey, push through setbacks, and ultimately achieve success despite obstacles. Let's break down what this could look like, and why it's so motivating. 1. The struggles and setbacks. In any exam journey, students might face challenges such as time management issues, struggling to balance school, extracurricular activities, and personal life. Health challenges, physical or mental health struggles can severely impact academic performance. Procrastination, delaying studying, leading to last-minute cramming or feeling overwhelmed. Failure or low marks. Initial exams may result in poor grades, creating doubt and discouragement. 2. The turning point. A big comeback often happens after a student hits rock bottom. This is when they re-evaluate their approach. They realize the need for change. Whether it's adopting better study habits or seeking help. Seek support. They reach out for tutoring, mentorship, or emotional support from friends and family. Make a plan. They develop a structured study schedule, prioritize their health, and work consistently. 3. The journey of persistence. The comeback involves taking consistent action despite setbacks. Focus on self-discipline. Students may start waking up early, setting goals, and sticking to their schedules. Efficient study techniques. They start using better study methods, such as active recall, spaced repetition, or collaborative learning. Resilience. Instead of giving up, they bounce back after each failure. The key is persistence and learning from mistakes. 4. The mental shift. Growth mindset. Students embrace the belief that their abilities can improve with effort and practice. Positive self-talk. They begin to believe in their ability to achieve. Replacing doubt with confidence. Motivation from within. Realizing that success is not just about the grades, but also personal growth, the student pushes forward. 5. The big comeback. As a result of hard work, dedication, and the shift in mindset, the student outperforms expectations. They end up acing their exams, surprising everyone, including themselves. Achieves their goals. Whether it's landing a spot in their dream university, passing a crucial exam, or simply feeling proud of their growth, the success is immense. Inspire others. Their journey becomes a source of inspiration for others who may be struggling, proving that comebacks are possible. 6. Why it's so motivating. The power of persistence. It shows that hard work, even after failure, pays off. Overcoming adversity. Students learn that challenges don't define them, but how they rise above them does. The ripple effect. A successful comeback can influence peers, educators, and even families to adopt a growth-oriented mindset. Conclusion. The biggest exam comeback in 2025 could represent the power of resilience, determination, and growth. By focusing on effort, seeking support, and believing in their potential, students can transform setbacks into success, proving that no challenge is too great to overcome. This journey isn't just about academic achievement but about building character, perseverance, and a positive future.